Joining me on the telecast, and now more news coming in. Cockroach Janata Party founder Abhijit Dipke has moved to Delhi High Court challenging the centre over the blocking of the group's social media accounts. Days after the satirical online movement went viral, Dipke has challenged the suspension of the party's X account, which was allegedly blocked by the government on a national security grounds. And according to NI, that's what the information that has coming in. And he had earlier also claimed that the party's Instagram and X accounts were hacked before being suspended. This comes after the Supreme Court declined a request for an urgent hearing of a petition seeking action against the so-called Cockroach Janata Party, saying the matter would be considered in due course of time. Now joining me on the telecast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, what exactly you're getting to know? Obviously, we've seen on the internet as well as everywhere else, Cockroach Janata Party has made huge rounds. It has become a talking point. Now that we have seen the Cockroach Janata Party founder has moved Delhi High Court as well. We have seen his Instagram as well, his X account have been blocked as well. What exactly you're getting to know?
Party's founder Abhijit Dipke has moved the Delhi High Court, and he has challenged the centre's move over blocking of the social media accounts. And the latest is that he has challenged in the Delhi High Court the suspension of this particular party's X account, which was allegedly blocked by the government on national security grounds, as you rightly pointed out. And also, there was a hearing in the Supreme Court yesterday, and when the matter was, matter came before the Chief Justice of India's bench during a mentioning yesterday. So, the CJI, and there was a petition in the Supreme Court over this cockroach remark controversy. And the lawyers told the Supreme Court that a distorted and malicious narrative is being spread to malign judiciary's image, despite the Chief Justice of India's clarification to it. And to this, the CJI has said, do not take it so sentimentally. This is what the CJI has said. And CJI has further said that there is no grave urgency in the matter, and court will examine it in the due course. And this particular PIL was in the Supreme Court, and the PIL was seeking direction that the courtroom exchanges should not be used for commercial purposes. So this is one update from the Supreme Court, which happened yesterday, and in another update, as you rightly pointed out, the Delhi High Court, the Cockroach Janata Party's founder Abhijit Dipke has moved to Delhi High Court, challenging centers this suspension of his party, this particular party, Cockroach Janata Party, X account on national security grounds. Now, it is up to the Delhi High Court when the High Court is going to hear this particular case. So these are two updates regarding this case from the Supreme Court and the Delhi High Court. Now that the matter is in the Delhi High Court, it is to be seen when the High Court is going to hear the case.
All right, Sambhav, thank you so much for joining me on the telecast. Moving on to other news coming in. Residents in the